Well, I figure I'd give you all an update what's been happening back at work, and been working on the thermoelectric generator a little bit. Been doing some testing. Not too happy with the results yet. Basically, this is a tank. It's all done. There was a couple leaks, but I had everything put together with thermoelectric grease, and didn't feel like taking everything apart and messing up the grease, so I'll just JB weld the leaks and fix them that way. And that should last for a little while. See what happens. I might end up building a new tank because I'm not getting enough cooling. Maybe that's the problem. I'm not exactly sure. But one of the problems I think it is the wood stove I'm using at work here. We have a Blaze King, and it don't get too hot on top like my wood stove at home. Mine's not brick lined. It's a cheap wood stove, but it gets hot. And I was doing temperature on top of the Blaze King here, and I was only getting up to about 130 degrees C, which is not hot enough. I want to be able to get around 200 C on the bottom, and see what happens then. That's when I should be making more power. But do some tests with the temperature readings. There's been about 10-20 degree difference from what the laser tells me, but not sure how accurate it is. I did do a little modification today and haven't tested it out, but on this fitting right here had an elbow on it, then a barb fitting, and I took the elbow out. I just changed it around. And this right here, if you're wondering, is a pressure relief valve, just a homemade one. But it works pretty good. I use it for hydrogen and just for safety reasons. Yeah, so if you got any comments or suggestions on how to make it run cooler, I'm tempted to buy some more transmission coolers, help out with cooling. But I did get the unit up to 9 volts, and I was able to run my water pump just on from the TEG itself. I do start it up with a little DeWalt battery, and once it gets up to at 9 volts, I hook it up to the pump to keep everything going, and my voltage will drop and then start climbing back up. So it works. And this right here is just a LED light from a headlamp. Kind of a spendy one, but it broke. Cheap headlamps, whatever. Cost you $70 and it break. But, it makes it good, I'm using it anyway still, so. And it's nice bright LED. It lights up at 3 volts. That's what that takes to light up, is 3 volts. So, yeah, not too bad. So, again, if you got any comments or questions or suggestions on how to make this thing run cooler and get up to the 30 volts I'm looking for, give me a comment or something. Alright, thanks. Bye.